channel. So here we are just doing some remedial work. Was getting all the bubbling coming up on the walls. I could plaster it, tried that, and 6 months later it's lifted and come off again. So this time we're going to use the Capa Fina because it seems to be more durable for interiors and exteriors. But again, I'm going to PVA this, get all the loose stuff off with a wire brush, PVA it, use some Rapido just to take out some of the deep areas, and then literally Capa Fina the whole wall. So this will look obviously a lot better, and it should cure the problem because we've done it in the hallway, which is tried and tested now. You do get an odd little bit where it's really bad, but also it's easier to maintain. With plastering, obviously, if you get an area where it's bubbling, you've got to redo it, then it's a lot more tricky. It's the Capa Fina is a lot easier to do from my point of view. Even just a brush to get those bits off, you can see it coming off. But go around, obviously I've got a little bit there, you can hear it, so that's got to come off. The rest of it's pretty good, thank God. Okay, now we've got the PVA mix. Just going to brush this on the wall. I'm doing this area first because this is going to be the yes-side area, because obviously it's a lot deeper. Get it all nice and thick. Obviously mine are electrics. Be careful of them. Should really tape it up. Put some paper over that. And also because it's going to be damp, the yes-side bonds to this nicely now before the Capa Fina goes on. So here's my gesso. This is the one I'm using. Just touching in, get it nice and wet. Goes off quick. Literally got about 3 to 7 minutes with this stuff. So get it as wet as I can. But this stuff's good because literally within half hour it's going to be pretty hard and ready for the Capa Fina to go over. Okay, so here we are now with the Capa Fina mix. Working my way from the bottom up, covering the wall. The SO things have gone off nice, so you literally get it on as smooth as you can. Not too mad, because obviously you've got the sponge afterwards to buff it all in. So I tend to do just over half a sack at a time. That seems to be enough then, and then I'll probably sponge this area and then go on to the next section. Just doing a section at a time. Obviously because of the height of these walls it's a bit more tricky. But yeah, once this is on, and I'll show you doing the sponging afterwards, and then you basically give it overnight and then it's ready for painting. So this is my favourite bit, just finishing off. Get a nice big sponge and just gently rub over the Capa Fina. Get a nice smooth finish. Well, not smooth, but sort of speckled finish. Trying to get rid of all the little bits. Some of it will be thicker than others, so it'll be a little bit softer. So you just got to go back and revisit some bits. But this is obviously where I need the trestles to get me extra height to get up there. But it's looking alright, it's looking good. Paint it, like I say, leave it overnight, and then it'll be nice and fresh. Lovely, so that's the Capa Fina. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like the channel. There's going to be loads more bits coming up from our build, which you'll see on the TV programme, but we're just filling all the extra bits that they missed out.